You can add a new corner or alcove to a room outline instantly using the right-click menu. Click on a spot on an existing wall where you want to add a new segment and select Add Wall Segment from the menu. SmartDraw will automatically add 2 new wall segments at right angles from that spot to create a new corner going outward from the existing outline. The size of the initial kickout will be determined by your scale and room in your drawing. On the standard 1x4 scale used in our floor plan templates, the indentation will be 1 major scale unit, or 4 feet, as long as there's room for that in the drawing area. Subsequent corners may vary in size to keep a reasonable shape to the room. Once a corner is added, you can fine-tune its size and indentation using the wall adjustment tools. Just click on the arrows to drag the walls inward or outward as desired. If you drag the indentation all the way back to the initial wall, SmartDraw will automatically get rid of the alcove for you and merge the line segment back into a single smooth wall.